graduates, parents, and friends. A pleasant morning to everyone. My first day at R.A. Montessori was so special. Teacher Sarah gave me a little test and showed me around the school. I got super excited. I met some teachers. I saw our colorful classrooms. And even I got to explore the Montessori Ocrea room. Everything looked so interesting. It was like a big adventure. Every day at school was super fun with Teacher Sarah, my advisor. She taught me a lot, and I love learning with her. I'm always excited to all my activities and see my classmates and teachers. I like all my subjects, but my favorite is math. It's like solving puzzles every day. I never wanted to be absent from school because I didn't want to miss any activities and lessons. I have so many happy memories from R.A. Montessori. I remember my first school presentation during the United Nations event. We also had Shebers Got Talent, where we presented our talents. We had fun celebration like the Halloween and Christmas ones. We did pizza making and enjoyed making our own delicious pizza. We did skills demonstration where we showcased our life skills, and literacy demonstration where we tell stories and read books. One of my favorite activity was the field trip, especially the zip line. It was so exciting. I want to say a big thank you to all the teachers for teaching us, being so nice. Thank you for being so nice and treating us like your own children. Thank you, Teacher Sarah. Thank you, Teacher Tanya. Thank you, Teacher Gia. And thank you, Teacher Bea. Thank you to all the teachers I met here in R.A. Montessori. Thank you, Dr. Rico, our school president, and Teacher Jim, our school president. Principal, they made R.A. Montessori a great place to learn and molded us to be a responsible achiever. To all my classmates, I've enjoyed all the happy times we've shared. To all our parents, grandparents, guardians, and all our family, thank you for supporting us. We love you all. Above all, thank you, God, for guiding us, giving us wisdom, and blessing us every day. As we finish kindergarten, let's remember all the happy memories we've had, and let's remember all the things we've learned. Each moment has helped shape us into who we are today. It's been an amazing journey at R.A. Montessori. Thank you, everyone.